You've probably been wondering how to combine two nuggets in one sleep. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it to boost your profits and get better odds. So I'll be focusing on the Landuga and I'll be making examples using the following teams, which are Real Sociedad vs Valencia FC. So checking the last 5 matches, you can see that in February 25, 2023, Valencia won the match with 1-0. So the market of which we'll be focusing on here is the best teams to score and main team to score, which is the low. And here you can see that our market did work because no, the both teams didn't score. Checking on September 22nd, 2023, you can see that only one team did score, which shows us that our market did work again here. Our market did work again. Our market did work. So checking the next match, May 16, 2024, we can see that only one team did score here. So our market did work again. It seems like this market is working, guys. We see that. So moving on the next match, you can see that on September 28, 2024, you could see that only one team did score. Only one team did score. So it shows us that our market did work. Our market did work again. So it was 4 times in a row. It's giving us positive energy. So move on the next match, you can see that on January 19, 2025, only one team did score. Guys, only one team did score. We'll see that only one team did score. I'll make it do to work again here. So guys, as you're analyzing, you can see that our market did work 5 times a row. Our market did work 5 times a row. So right now we'll be moving on the over 2.5. So we'll be focusing on the following teams, which are Girona FC vs Vallecano, yeah. So checking the last 5 matches, you can see that on November 11, 2023, Girona did in the match 2-1. So we'll be focusing on the over 2.5, and our lucky did work here across 30 goals are scored in total. Moving to the next match on January 17, 2024, you can see that 4 goals were scored in total, and our market did work, guys. Our market did work here. Our market did work, okay? We here on the next match, February 26, 2024, we can see that 3 goals were scored in total. Our market did work. Our market did work, guys. Our market did work here. We're on the next match on September 25, 2024. You can see that no goal was scored. Our market did not work. But guys, let's not play no. Let's check on the next match on January 26, 2025. You can see that 3 goals were scored in total, and our market did work here. Our market did work, guys. Our market did work. So guys, as you're analyzing, right, you can see that our market did work 4 times. Our market did work 4 times. So it shows us that you have a higher chance of winning our bet if you take that kind of bet. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.